All right, here we come to the elevator at Center Pentagon City Parking Garage in Arlington, Virginia. And these are vending machines that said shop refreshed ice cold refreshment. And this is an MEI elevator. Let's go to L. Watch out the glass. And they're made with railings. Let's go down to LL. Let's watch out the glass. I know how slow the elevator is. And this is a slow motor for the elevator here at Fashion Pentagon City. I know the time it went slow. We'll go up one more time. And this is a Minnesota elevator here, but only the same at Westfield Wheaton Mall. Send it down to LL. Here we're gonna have a slow motor. Wow, that's how slow it is. And those are vending machines that we have here. That's it.